Hi guys, welcome to Chao. Today we are on location shoot in this beautiful island of Samui, southern Thailand. And as you can see, I'm sitting in a coffee shop and I'm just about to have my iced mocha. This is a coffee shop which belongs to a very close friend of mine. Their barista is a lady barista and she's from the Philippines. This is Lynn. Hello. How long have you been here? 5 years. So show us how to make flat white here at Coffee Way. Start with grinding the coffee. So make sure it's clean. Now to keep the cup warm, she says you have to put it under the hot water. And now let's start to pull our espresso shot. Okay, pull one shot. Now that looks like a nice and steady flow of espresso. And most baristas would normally steam the milk at the same time as pulling the espresso shot. And as usual, you do the purge and wipe the steam one. Now let's look at our espresso. That looks really perfect. Now let's look at the magic of pouring the milk into the coffee cup. So for flat white, Lynn says that you take out all the foam out of the milk. Flat white's supposed to have very little foam on top. Oh, that's a sweetheart. We love you too. Thank you so much, Lynn. Miss Lynn of Coffee Way. Any tip on making the best flat white?
You must have mixed with
Oh, Miss with a heart.
thank
You
you.
say thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Moral of the story, if you know how to be a barista, you can come to this beautiful island of Samui in Thailand. So I hope you learned something new from Lynn today. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.